a card from heaven. So messed up in that.
That's so sweet though.
You know what? I'm gonna tell you.
Hola, Mai.
How do you let it, man?
It's a sparkler. You just. Yeah, but how do you do the 8 from the top?
That's so sweet.
Yeah,
go.
That's so cool.
Woo!
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a crap.
Look. Don't put your
Can we do it before it's too late? Because it's about to
Yeah,
go.
you gonna sing to me, people?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chelsea. Happy birthday to you. Do I blow on it? Yeah.
Just blow, dude. Go.
Because I don't know what happened. I blew on the
It's gotta
sparkler.
burn out.
Did you see his face?
Get close to it, Mom.
Sarah, you know what? Have you ever heard of Casamigos?
Yeah, I love that. I've been there 3 times.
You had a good one time.
No, I've been to another woman who, she lives in Celebrate.
That's so cool.
It's not done yet.
She's known, she goes throughout
Yeah, I
the
guess
whole
that's
world.
pizza.
I love that
Me and her
smell.
went one time.
Really?
And
Like the fireworks
we went
smell?
for her.
Yeah.
When we got there, the lady said, I don't want to know anything about you. And I said, well, it don't matter anyway, because I'm not doing it. It's
Yeah.
for her. But we sat down at the table, and she put her hands right on me, right?
Yeah,
Put her hand
he
on
took
me.
over like the whole thing. I was like, okay.
And she just started talking to me about my brother who was passed away. And she knew everything about him.
Yeah.
We need to tell you what happened.